Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by confirming essential prerequisites: ID, insurance, and a bank account linked to the app. Your phone must have location and background refresh enabled. Once done, charge to at least 80% and open the Deliveroo Rider app. Tap the profile to confirm settings, then tap Go Online to start receiving offers. Make sure to accept location permissions and delivery area terms. This lets the app match you to orders immediately. You're now actively available and ready to receive your first delivery. When an offer appears, decide fast. Tap Accept to claim it or Decline to pass. Review pay, distance, and estimated time to prioritize profitable rides. Once accepted, open the in-app map and choose your preferred navigation. Deliveroo allows maps or Waze, so directions sync with the order. At pickup, confirm the restaurant and items, check for special instructions, and take the required photo if prompted. Then, mark collected and proceed to the drop-off. This assures accurate tracking and avoids disputes. Finish each trip by marking the order delivered, capture the required photo or collect the signature, and immediately check the pay summary to confirm bonuses or tips. If a problem arises, missing items, wrong address, or customer no-show, use the in-app help flow to report it and request compensation. This creates a time-stamped record. If the app freezes or stops receiving offers, restart it, toggle location permissions, and, if needed, contact support. This simple troubleshooting often restores normal operation quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.